Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Kelly from Ready Set Drone. I just wanted to make a quick video to update you guys on a few things. Number one, if you watched SpinUp last week, thank you very much for watching. It was a great event, had a wonderful time. Definitely put a lot of effort and time into it, and it was so great to see so many people show up and watch, and for it to go as well as it did. I was really happy with how everything turned out. So thanks to everyone who made that possible, all the sponsors, all the people that showed up to watch, as well as the other speakers. Now, as you can see here, I've got a pile of stuff here in my office that I am shipping out for the heroes as well as the winners of prizes. I've got boxes and boxes here that are getting boxed up so that I can get them shipped out. If you were a SpinUp hero and or a prize winner, please be patient. I'm going as fast as I can. You can still see up here, this is the box of, or the jar that we used to draw prizes from. We actually have all the winners' names in this cup still, but I have the list. I've reached out to most of you. There's one or two folks who have not replied yet with a mailing address, and so if you haven't replied and you did win something on SpinUp, please do as soon as possible so that I can get your address and get it shipped out. Number two, I wanted to clarify the winner of the song contest. Now, that was a bit of a mistake on my part. I actually had pulled up the likes for those pages, and it was about 2 or 3 hours before the announcement, and unfortunately I never refreshed that page. So Enrique, number 10, got a bunch of likes in between and ended up beating out number 2. I wrongly said number 2 was the winner. It was actually based on number of likes as the contest was designed. I actually ended up saying the wrong thing and saying it was number 2 instead of number 10. So congratulations to Enrique. I'll put a link to the original song in his YouTube channel down below. He wrote a great song. It's a very musically great and fun to listen to version of the Ready Set Drone song. A lot of people did really good songs, including number 2, who is with Sunrise Water Media, and I actually ended up giving him a consolation prize. He just came by my office today. I just gave it to him. His name is Chris. Congrats to Chris, because it was a great song as well. And since I mistakenly said that he was the winner, I felt that he deserved a consolation prize. So, but Enrique is the real winner. I actually had the Mavic Air 2 shipped out to him just the other day. Now, the third thing I wanted to talk about was the fact that I'm going to have someone on tonight for Speed Dial at 7 p.m. Central. That's this evening, 7 p.m. Central, who is going to be really interesting if you're into flying drones. Everyone here, his name is Chris, but everyone here knows him as Doc Murdoc. Chris is an expert, Doc Murdoc is an expert in antennas and video and transmitting and receiving. He can tell you how to get more bang out of your antennas. So if you want to know how to do that, we're going to talk a lot about that tonight during Speed Dial, which is the thing I do on Fridays in addition to First Friday. And then finally, I wanted to do a quick little shout out, because so many people, Jay in there, so many people have asked. This is Boozy Bob, and he misses you guys. His eye is finally recovering from where he was punched by you know who. Anyway, Boozy Bob, say hello to everybody.
Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Please join us for Speed Dial tonight. Take care. Bye bye.